All right, guys, we're out here with Elukiko, okay? And we didn't do a battery test when I did the video on it. I didn't check the flight time on it. From what I remember, it flew really nice. I think this is the one I'm sending out to Magoo. Okay, there's the rates. Yay. So I'll put that little clock in there. Oh yeah, we remember that it did flip real nice. Look at it go. Okay, I got it pretty stable now. Elukiko. I don't know if that's the name, that's what I call it, okay? Because I don't think I can pronounce the name correctly. Okay, I got the trim dialed in. And you know, with these little quadcopters, the trim's always good until you do a flip or two, and then it just throws the trim out of whack for some reason. But this thing, it flies really nice, man, really nice. Yeah, Magoo's really gonna like this, believe me. I know Magoo, okay? Magoo is gonna like this. This will go real good in the backyard. As long as it don't get ate by any wolves hanging out over at Magoo's. So like I said, I'll put the little, now there is a little bit of breeze going, okay, it's coming, you see how it's going, that's where the wind's coming from, that way, right there. You know, these little, real tiny quadcopters like this, they're really not up to taking a lot of wind, okay? So that's not happening. Now we already did the video test and all that on this thing, so we don't need to run any video. We just want to get the maximum flight time out of it. Battery's still hanging. Okay, I got the trim worked out again. Up, it's drifting. Up, it stopped. Now it's going to drift the other way. Any kind of little nuance in the wind is going to do that. You can't trim out the wind. I know I've said that thousands of times, but it is true. Okay, there goes the battery warning. So I'll put the little timer in there like I always do. Yay! We made. Oh, shut up! Turn that thing off. Have a nice day, 𝐾𝐃 𝐅𝐏𝐕